battle for greater power efficiency is a major concern in the design of data centres, with the rise of the Internet of Things and 5G bandwidth projected to push the energy demand of today's data centres to new extremes, with problems including the size of a source, direct operating expenses and greater heat dissipation that requires an increase in cooling of the room to maintain an efficient operating temperature. Companies need to explore a green approach in 2018. ProLabs is paving the way to make sure that consumption does not get out of control. Here at Data Centre World London, ProLabs is showcasing how its offering is directly relevant to solving this issue that many data centres face right now. At ProLabs, the company is actively striving to power efficiency through its record-breaking green offering, including the 100G green transceivers that provide 100% performance with up to 30% less power consumption than other offerings, and its Eon 121 transponder product set, which stands out from similar offerings by boasting the lowest power consumption for a 100G transponder.
So we're here at Data Centre World in London, and the focus here seems to be on power consumption and how we save power. There's a lot of guys here with fancy cooling systems for saving money and saving power. And here at ProLabs we have some green transceivers, and the idea behind our green transceiver is to reduce the power consumption per port. So at 100 gig we can reduce the power consumption from around 3.5 watts to 2 watts. So that can save over a watt of power per port, which might not sound like a lot, but when you get to 1,000 ports in a data center, that's a kilowatt.
And so we've been to Data Centre World for 3 years in succession now, and it's proved very successful for us. A number of our customers come to this event, whether that's service provider customers or enterprise customers, and also a number of our partners that sell our technology into our customer base are here as well. So it's been very, very valuable for us over the 3 years, and we look forward to probably being here again next year.
Data Centre World has seen the launch of ProLabs' new transponder, which marks the company's expansion into complete solutions offerings.
One of the products we're launching here at Data Centre World this week is our Eon 121 low power 100 gig transponder. It's a very small form factor, takes up very little space within the data center. It's 1 RU, and that supports 200 gig in total. It only draws power of 100 watts for 100 gigs, so very low power consumption. A really small form factor, which is important to save space within the data center. It can be positioned very close to the source of the traffic as well, and it's very modular, has both AC and DC redundant power supply support.
In our facility in the UK, where we do a lot of our production, we have a commitment to quality. As part of that commitment, we have ISO 9001 certification. And we also make sure that everything we do is as green as possible. So whether that's being responsible with our waste and making sure that we make the most efficient process we can.
With experts warning that data centres will consume more and more energy in the next decade, ProLabs, offering experience as a standard and more than 15 years of optical connectivity, provide the technology that will enable companies to achieve their power-saving potential.